to reverse image search on Google in Android and iOS. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Here you can see in the search bar, you can see in the right side of the microphone button, you can see the camera icon. So click on the camera icon, and when you click on this, here you can see the what you have to do. If you want to search the photos from your gallery, so you can click on this gallery photos, and you can choose any of the photo that you want. I want to choose the Elon Musk this motivation son's photo. And here you can see that you can go to the click on the more results, and you come to this Google page, and here you can see the it shows all the Elon Musk the stories and articles, photos, videos, and so all the websites saying about the Elon Musk. So that's basically it that how you can reverse image search on Google in Android and iOS, and you can do this in the any of the devices. And here you it basically one depends on the photos that how it is easy to understand. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below if it works. Have a good day.